Hi, this is Brett Douglas of the Connecticut ALTRIGHT. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Supreme Court and the Donald Trump administration and how important it is for everybody on the right. Now, some days people just don't like anything to do with the court system, and other days it benefits us. Now, think about gun control, abortion, those two things right there. A lot of people have different ideas of what the Supreme Court should be doing with this. Some people think they shouldn't be involved at all with abortion, and other people think they should. And gun control is pretty obvious. They've been pretty good with us on gun control. Now, abortion, though, think Donald Trump is going to be replacing, well, he already did with Gorsuch, one of them. But then there's a couple others that are going to be retiring. Now, think, are you pro-life, or do you think that the government should be involved with this at all? My point is, I'm very pro-life, but I also consider a woman, and do we have the right to tell her what to do with her body? We don't. But as being pro-life as I am, I do believe in protection of the unborn. So in my opinion, I hope Donald Trump appoints people to the Supreme Court that are pro-life. This is quite important to me, especially being Christian. I don't understand how many Christians can go to church every Sunday and then allow themselves to fall into that BS about a woman's right to choose to kill her baby or not. As far as I'm concerned, a life is a life with a heartbeat. Now, let's get into this a little bit more. The other day, or yesterday, I heard possibility, I hope this is just BS, of actually considering Mayor Garland to be part of the FBI, to be the new director. Now, that's dumb. I know it was a good idea, in my opinion, to get rid of Comey. He was so wish-washy. When Hillary was winning the election, he was on Hillary's side. When Trump was winning, he was on Trump's side. What I get from that is he was thinking of himself, that the director of the FBI works under the discretion of the president. Now, that's not, he should be more for the country. Now, Garland, the original one that was considered for the Supreme Court, I'm glad he didn't, Trump didn't play a big role in that. But that was before he was elected, but I'm glad they didn't allow him in. And we do not need him in the FBI. Because think about abortion. And I'm going to go deeper. I'm going to make another video. I've been planning it longer on that. But just think about this. How many people that call themselves pro-life know how many abortions there are? They would even be more pro-life if they knew that there was over 1 million a year and that half of them were from minorities, the smallest group of people. Now, this is, as far as I'm concerned, abortion is black genocide. The amount, 500,000 babies, I say babies, people say, don't even acknowledge them as babies, but there's a heartbeat. Babies are killed by abortion. that works on the other side too. People that say a woman's right to choose. And if try this, everybody must know someone that sides with a woman's right to choose, and ask them, do they know how many abortions there are a year? I doubt if they do. It's over 1 million a year. Like 53 million since 1976. Abortion was passed by fraud too. The whole operation. I'll be getting into that later in a different video. Now, because the main topic of this video was Supreme Court. Now think of gun rights. We definitely need somebody that is pro-Second Amendment. So whoever Donald Trump appoints for the Supreme Court when these two more retire, Ginsburg and probably Kennedy, Trump it may be the toughest decisions he's going to make as president because of these two things, abortion and gun rights. No matter what keeps going on in the world, they all come down to those two things. Well, three things actually, the biggest one of them all, immigration. So immigration, gun control, and abortion, I believe in the next year will be the three biggest topics. This was just a pre-video. I'm going to be making one again either tonight or tomorrow, and I'm going to stay focused on the Supreme Court. So I know there wasn't much information in this video, but I'm just going to let you know that I'll probably have 5 minutes on each one and on Supreme Court, gun rights, and abortion, and hopefully that many of you will watch them. That's all for right now. Just want to let you know what's going to be coming up. Brett Douglas, the Connecticut Alt-Right. Thank you.